to the moon. Again and again for Intuitive Machines. The commercial space infrastructure firm based in Houston is going to make it happen, since it secured a lease amendment with the Houston City Council to expand its operations at the Houston Spaceport. The company will add 3 acres to its existing lease and extend its agreement by 5 years, allowing for a $12 million expansion. This project will include new production and testing facilities, as well as support infrastructure to scale up the assembly of lunar landers, Earth re-entry systems, lunar terrain vehicle development, and NASA's Near-Space Network services. The expansion plans are significant, featuring a 16,500 square foot spacecraft development and production space, an 8,000 square foot warehouse and storage facility, and 150 new parking stalls to accommodate the company's growing workforce. Intuitive Machines has experienced rapid growth, with its workforce increasing by 130% since 2019. The company's CEO, Steve Altemus, highlighted the strength of their partnership with local government and their shared commitment to building the necessary infrastructure, workforce, and capabilities to deliver on current government missions and meet future demands. These expansions build on the initial Lunar Production and Operations Center at the Houston Spaceport, which includes mission control rooms, spacecraft assembly floors, and research and development laboratories. Intuitive Machines is already well known for being behind the Nova-C lunar lander series, spacecraft cargo systems, in-space communication services, and emerging work in lunar mobility and re-entry platforms under NASA and DoD contracts. On the financial side, positive signs have seen trimming of its cash burn by 17% over the last 12 months and achieving 62% operating revenue growth. Its market capitalization of $1.9 billion and cash burn of $46 million, equivalent to 2.4% of its market value, suggests that it can easily raise more cash by issuing new shares or borrowing at a low cost if needed, resulting in a growing consensus that cash burn is not a major concern for Intuitive Machines, thanks to its revenue growth and ability to fund its operations. Analysts also generally forecast that the company will reach break-even, further alleviating concerns about its cash burn. This sentiment isn't just driven by success and progress, but also how failure has been handled. For example, back in February, the IM-2 lunar lander Athena was launched as part of NASA's commercial lunar payload services. It successfully reached the moon's surface, but the mission ended prematurely due to depleted power. Nonetheless, it was able to capture photos which sparked investor confidence for future contracts. Aside from valuable technical lessons learned, the partial disappointment is being overshadowed by the potential to grow revenues by 30% annually into 2026.